Hello friends, this is Alvira Khan and I am pursuing MTech IT from International Institute of Professional Studies, a department of DIVV University. In this video, I am going to share my knowledge about unguided transmission media. But friends, before that, let us take a small view on transmission media. A transmission medium is a physical path between the sender and the receiver. That is, it is the channel through which data is sent from one place to another. There are two types of transmission media. The first one is guided transmission media and the second one is unguided transmission media. So let us come on the topic unguided transmission media. What is unguided transmission media? An unguided transmission transmits the electromagnetic waves without using any physical medium. Therefore, it is also known as wireless transmission. In unguided media, air is the media through which the electromagnetic energy can flow easily. Unguided transmission media is categorized into three categories: radio waves, microwaves, and infrared. So let us discuss more about radio waves. Radio waves are the electromagnetic waves that are transmitted in all the directions of free space. FM radio is the best example of radio wave transmission. In case of radio waves, the sending and receiving antenna are not aligned. That is, the wave sent by sending antenna can be received by any receiving antenna. Characteristics of radio waves. These are omnidirectional, that is, the signals are propagated in all the directions. The range in frequencies of radio waves is from 3 kHz to 1 GHz. And radio waves can penetrate buildings easily, so that widely used for indoors and outdoors communication. And the second unguided transmission media is microwaves. Microwave is a line of sight wireless communication technology that uses high frequency beams of radio waves to provide high speed wireless connection that can send and receive voice, video, and data information. Example: cylinder phone, satellite networks, etc. Characteristics of microwaves. Microwaves are unidirectional. They have frequency between 3 to 10 GHz. These are widely used for one-to-one communication between sender and the receiver. Microwaves are further classified into two categories. First is terrestrial microwave transmission and the second is satellite microwave transmission. First, terrestrial microwave transmission. It is a technology that transmits the focused beam of a radio signal from one ground-based microwave transmission antenna to another. And the second, satellite microwave transmission. A satellite is a physical object that revolves around the earth at a known height. It is more reliable nowadays as it offers more flexibility than cable and fiber optic system. And the last unguided transmission media is infrared. An infrared transmission is a wireless technology used for communication over short ranges. It is used for short range communication such as data transfer between two cell phones, TV remote operation. Data transfer between a computer and cell phone resides in same close area. Characteristics of infrared transmission. It supports a high bandwidth and hence the data rate will be high. The frequency of infrared transmission media is between 300 GHz to 400 THz. Infrared waves cannot penetrate the walls. Therefore, the infrared communication in one room cannot be interrupted by nearby rooms. And for more reference, you can go to the website www.javapoint.com. So friends, thanks for watching the video. Please like the video. Thank you.